Hello everyone. Today we're gonna make an amazing dancing LED project using Arduino UNO. Watch till the end to see cool dancing LED effects. First, we need to upload the code to the Arduino. In order to upload, connect the Arduino to the computer using the Arduino UNO cable. Connect the other end to the USB port of the computer. So you'll get the code from the description of this video. Click on the Google Docs link and copy the complete code from the document. Next, log into our CyberScore platform and open the CS Lab. From the Robotics section, open Arduino IDE and give the project name Dancing LED. Paste the code here and click on the Upload to Board option on the top right corner. A pop-up will appear in the top left corner of the screen, asking you to select the port. Select the visible port from the list and click Connect. Then wait until you see the message Upload Complete. And that's it. We are done uploading the code. Talking about the code, this creates a fun dancing LED project using 4 LEDs connected to pins 10, 11, 12 and 13. First, the LED pins are stored in variables. In the setup function, all LEDs are set as output so the Arduino can control them. The loop function runs continuously and creates different LED effects. The first effect is LEDs turn on one by one. And the second effect is called a chase effect, where LEDs move forward and backward. And the third effect is all LEDs will blink together like a flash bit. And the fourth one is alternate blink, where odd and even LEDs blink alternately. And the last one is random LEDs will blink for a party effect. Here, digital write high statement will turn on an LED. And digital write low statement will turn off an LED. The delay statement will give a small delay to the code. Here, the 200 refers to 200 milliseconds, which means 0.2 seconds. Suppose if you want to give 3 seconds delay, then you gotta give 3000 here. 3000 milliseconds is 3 seconds. Or if you want to give 0.5 seconds delay, then you gotta give value 500, which is 500 milliseconds. Give your own values, change the code in your own creativity and create variety projects on your own idea. So for the dancing LED project, the components required are an Arduino UNO, some LED bulbs. Here I took 4 LED bulbs, jumper wires, an Arduino UNO cable, a breadboard, and an 220 ohm resistor. The vertical pins on the edge of the breadboard are called power rails. We're going to use one rail as a common ground to connect all the negative pins of the LEDs. The horizontal pins are called terminal strips, where we are going to connect each negative pin of the LEDs to separate terminal strips. Now let's connect an LED. So here we have 2 pins in an LED, the positive one and the negative one. The bigger one is the positive and the smaller one will be the negative. We'll be connecting the negative one to the power rails that we took as a common ground and the positive one to the terminal strips. So the connection should be exactly like this. Connect all 4 LEDs as same. Now let's connect the resistor to protect our LEDs. You can connect the resistor to the common negative rail and connect the other end to the GND pin of the Arduino. Next, we're going to take a male-to-male jumper wire and connect the negative rail, where the negative rail has changed the power terminal strip here because I connected a resistor here. So take the jumper wire, connect to the pins parallel to the terminal strip here. Then connect the other end to the GND pin of the Arduino UNO. Be aware that there are 3 GND pins in the Arduino UNO. You can connect to any GND pin. So I'm gonna connect it to the pins here. Right. Now let's connect all the positive pins of the LEDs to the digital pins of the Arduino UNO. We're gonna use pin number 10, 11, 12 and 13 for this project to make the LED stands. So for that, take a male-to-male jumper wire, connect it to the horizontally parallel pin that is connected with the LED's positive pin. Connect the other end to the pin number 10 of the Arduino UNO. Like this, connect all other LEDs to pin number 11, 12 and 13. This is the second LED and the third one, the fourth LED. So that's it. We're done with the connections of our project. Now let's see if our project works the way that we want it to work. Let's connect the project to the USB cable in order to power up the project and make the LED stands. Our dancing LED project is working perfectly. We learned how to connect LEDs, upload code, and create awesome light effects using Arduino UNO.